Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Kronos301 Wi-Fi range extender. If your extender provides wireless internet connection in all over your home, then this Kronos301 Wi-Fi extender is the one of the best solution. The Kronos301 Wi-Fi range extender is a compact device designed to boost your existing Wi-Fi signal, extending its coverage to eliminate dead zones in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will discuss the product unboxing. Inside the Kronos301 Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick start guide for easy setup, and occasionally a power adapter if required. Some models may also include an Ethernet cable for wired connections. Now connect the extender to a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router for initial setup. Allow a minute or two for the power LED to turn solid, indicating the extender is ready for configuration. If the extender has been previously configured, use the reset button, usually a small pinhole button, to restore it to factory settings. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open the Wi-Fi setting. Look for a network like Kronos301_EXT or something similar and connect to it. Typically, this network will not have a password at this stage, but if prompted, check the user manual for default credentials. Use a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Enter the setup address in the address bar, type http://ap.setup or 192.168.10.1 and hit enter. Login credentials, use the default username and password, commonly admin for both, unless specified otherwise. The extender will scan for nearby networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password, provide the password for your main Wi-Fi network to allow the extender to connect. You can either keep the same SSID as your main network for seamless roaming or create a unique name, e.g., myhome_xt. Save the settings, confirm the changes and let the extender apply the new settings. Place the extender about halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.